Main game, man. We back with another one. Let go. Feeling this police officer is coming for me for some reason. We've been doing 60 the whole way up here, so I don't know what he want. Yup, I knew it. Look at this. What do you want, bro? Why? Like, why are you bothering me, bro? I'm not speeding. I'm not doing nothing. Yo, come on, bro. Look at this. Yeah, the police behind us, Papa. He about to pull us over. Huh? Sit down. Sit down. Bro, this is... Literally was riding behind me for probably 10 minutes. There go the lights. I gotta pull over. There's a cop behind us, Papa. We right next to Muma house. So we about to see what this cop about to say, y'all. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put my phone so y'all can see. Let's see what this dude gotta say. I know it's about my plate, but I got an appointment coming up, so.
Morning.
How you doing, boss?
Pretty good.
Good.
Stopping you because I know she didn't have a front plate, the tent, and then that temporary plate says expired 8/13/20.
I think you pulled me over recently, right? On Culver?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have an appointment this week coming up to get all of that taken care of because I still haven't gotten them.
Okay. You got your driver's license on you?
I sure do.
For some reason, I didn't think it was Virginia the last time.
It was Virginia, 100%. Yep.
Yeah, that whole ton of purple Hellcats as I was pulling you
Yeah,
over.
I'm honestly the only one with this. Only one, so it's the same car.
What's the deal with the registration?
I don't know. I literally have an appointment on I think tomorrow morning, literally to find out what's going on. Cause I called the dealership again.
DMV, you're saying, or what?
With DMV, correct? Yep.
And what was it? You bought it online or something?
So remember, I placed my order through a dealership out of state, which is Virginia. Everything that I pay for is all online. Once I pick up the car, they ship your plates for whatever state you live in. I just haven't gotten them yet. I contact them, they said they don't know what's going on, so I have an appointment tomorrow for my plates.
What about your insurance?
My insurance is good. I've been paying insurance for...
You have the insurance card though?
Oh yeah, you want to see that? Yeah. No, my insurance is good. I've been paying insurance since I got the car.
Did you buy it through West Her?
No, that's where I get my services done at West Her. So there's my insurance card. So this is the same officer that pulled me over not too long ago by the liquor store on Culver. Remember I told y'all he did like a complete U-turn just to pull me over? It's the same officer. So he's coming right back. He's coming back right now. I actually gotta turn my phone off to show him my insurance sticker. But actually, you know what? Let me get this quick thumbnail real quick. Because he's done. He's about to leave now. So he gave us the benefit of the doubt again, y'all, after I show him my insurance sticker. So I want to show y'all something, right? He just gave me this paperwork, and this is probably why I haven't gotten my plates. So my address here is in New York State, right? I'm gonna try to show y'all. So to show y'all this without showing my address. Yeah, he has the same. The police officers have the same car, Papa. It's just a little different. Oh, pretty much they got my address under Fort Worth, Texas. Yes. Okay, yeah. Let's go to Muma house. I'm sorry. So when he runs my plate, it comes up as my address in Fort Worth, Texas. So I'm not sure why when he runs my VIN that it comes up, it says my address, but it says that my address is in Texas. So I'm thinking that's probably why I haven't gotten my plates, or that's why I'm having issues with my plates. So I have an appointment tomorrow to go to DMV and see what's going on, because that he's like I'm gonna give you benefit of the doubt. Like, you could just tell like he wants to write me a ticket so bad, But bro, I've never been in Texas in my life, so never been in Texas ever before. So I don't understand why I have a address associated to my VIN in Texas. That just doesn't make any sense. But I'm not gonna lie to you, at this point, I'm about to trade the Hellcat in, bro, because I seen him. I knew what time it was. I seen him, bro. He was in the median. He wasn't no radar, no nothing. He wasn't even trying to catch people speeding, nothing, right? I seen him. He heard the supercharger, and you seen his head snap. Literally, his head snapped, and out of nowhere, he just started following me. Started following me for a good 5-10 minutes. And that's when I start recording. And I'm so mad. Yo, I'm slacking. Yo. I gotta start bringing my batteries and stuff every single time. But let me take Javon in the house real quick, and then I'll finish the video with y'all. Say peace out, YouTube. Alright, at this point, I'm not gonna hold y'all. I'm ready to trade the Hellcat in. I'm ready to trade Jellycat in. Boy, this attention is too much for me, bro. It is. Let me see my grandma. Yeah. 3 o'clock. Thank you. Boy, this attention is. Boy, this car too hot. And I ain't even. Listen. And I'm not even out here like that, son. And this car already hot. Like, bro. Man, y'all seen the beginning of the video, man. This, oh my God. Yo, he literally. So the first bridge out here, if y'all familiar from where I'm at, right? I was heading to Webster. The first bridge you can get, the first exit you can get off after the bridge is where he was sitting at, right? I knew it. I knew what time it was. I seen him. So I knew he was gonna be sitting there, right? So I knew what time it was. I'm driving, right? Driving up. And I see the car. So I'm like, all right, boom. So I'm not speeding. I'm doing 60. So I'm like, all right, there's no reason why he would bother me. I'm doing 60. I ain't speeding. But boy, when I tell you, I downshifted and then gave it a little gas to get into a lane, still doing 60. And that supercharger went through that window. He said, snapped his head literally to the left and pulled out, son. I'm like, bruh. No way he's following me. Definitely not following me for speeding, because I wasn't speeding. And for one, even if I was, he didn't have his radar out. So I'm like, I know he not trying to catch people for speeding. But anyway, I wasn't. 100%. Y'all already know me, man. If y'all watch any of my videos, I keep it 100% real. If I'm speeding, I'm speeding. If I'm not, I'm not. I'm gonna just keep it funky. If I ain't speeding, I'm not speeding. If I was speeding, I'm gonna say it, bro. I'm not gonna sit here and argue with the man, because the man got high-end technology that says I'm speeding. Like, I'm not gonna lie. So y'all know that one time where I did get pulled over, I 100% say, yeah, I was speeding. I was going over. I was doing probably like 5-6 over. Even though that's not like speeding in the car world. Let's just keep it real. But I was speeding according to the law, right? This time, I'm doing under the speed limit. Speed limit is about 60, 65 out here. I was doing 60. Oh, I'm sorry. It's about 60 out here. I was doing about 59, 60. So I was doing essentially the speed limit, under the speed limit, right? Bro, when I tell you I seen his car pull out, heart drop, boy. Drop, straight drop. And I'm just like, nah, no way. He not coming for me. Can't be. There's no way. There's gotta be a car behind me that was speeding. There's no way he's coming for me. I wasn't doing nothing. Bro, when I tell y'all there's 7 cars behind me, and he's the 8th car, he literally flashed his lights to make all the other cars move out of the way to get behind me, and then follow me for the next 5 to 6 minutes to my exit, and pull me over literally right where I was going. The hotel before the street I was going is where he pulled me over at. So I'm gonna see if he's sitting up here in this same spot right now, because I'm gonna show y'all where he was at. Let's see if he's sitting up here at this same spot. Cause boy, I'm telling you, listen, who want Jellycat? Come take over my lease, please. Cause this a hot car right now, boy. I'm telling you. And it's like, I don't know if y'all heard him say, or if I was even recording when he said that, but he was like, so he wasn't right here. This is where they typically usually be at. He wasn't right there in that spot. He's at this first one down here. But I don't know if I recorded the part where he was like, yeah, you're the only color, you're the only one with this color in this car out here that I've seen, so I knew it was you. I couldn't remember if it was from I couldn't remember if it was your deal from Virginia or Texas. I'm like, I bought the car from Virginia, not Texas. But like I said, I showed you that paperwork where he came back and my address was associated from Texas. So is that him right there? Yo, that's him right there, bro. He pulled somebody else over within, what was that? I just dropped my son off. That's probably with 10 minutes. He caught somebody else speeding? Nah, couldn't have been. Hold on. It must have been 2 cop cars. Because that would have mean he would have had to drive all the way back down here, get into this median again, and then pull somebody over. I doubt that was him. Let's see if there was another one. So this is where he was. So that was him just now. This is where he was, right here. So he followed me all the way down from where we just got on the expressway at. So hey, there you go. Hey, listen, man. I'm joking but not joking. If y'all want to take over this lease, let me know. Cause at this point, bro, I need a different color or something. Cause this too much, bro. This is too much. That's 3 times I've been pulled over. Twice by the same cop. 1 by the what was that? I can't remember what kind of cop that was. I think that was the Border Patrol police officer. Yeah, the Border Patrol police officer. Oh shoot, there go another one. Yeah, nah, that's not him though. He don't. I knew who it was him because he got those big black, magnet lights on the top. That's like when he put people over, they like go up. So I don't know what kind of system he got. I knew it just wasn't the regular ones. I knew it was him because he's the only one out here that has like the lights that kind of go up. But anyway, man, listen. Oh my God, I was just finna do a PS5 update video for y'all too. Just finna do one too today. And yet again, we doing a video of us getting pulled over. So, but stay tuned. I might be giving something away. Not the PS5 because remember that was at 5K. I was gonna give that out. We're not at 5K yet. We're not even at 3 yet. But I might be giving something else out depending on how I'm feeling. Yeah, luckily I ain't getting no ticket because I probably wouldn't have did that PS5 update video at all. I ain't get that if I got a ticket. But I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Make sure y'all stay tuned for that next video. As always, man, stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. We out. Peace.